been looking for a waterfront home that's great for kayaking and close to everything near downtown Niantic and Waterford? Here we go. This is 276 Niantic River Road. This road right here goes down to Mago Point, where you will find one of my favorite restaurants, Fat Tuna. We'll get to the inside, but I want to just show you what's special outside first. And that is this setting right here. This home was completely renovated. The home was originally built in 1905, and the entire structure was taken apart, demoed. Only one wall was saved. And this is what is super special about this property right here. This is the beginning of the Niantic River on the east side of Oswegatchie Peninsula. The Niantic River is on the other side also, but this gets you down to the marinas. So if you want, here is your permitted dock, and it allows you to take your skiff-style boat to the big boat that you might have down at the marinas. The lower level does have a walkout basement. I might as well scoot over there and share that with you. But what a great scenery this is. I've been here in the afternoon. You have the sun glistening off of the river right there. You can see right here we have ductless mini splits set up. 3 heads on the first floor. Then the second component in terms of the condenser, and my walkout basement door is right there. The second condenser goes to an attic air handler, handling the full second floor. We have parking for about 5 vehicles. If you wanted to squeeze a 6th one in to the right on the grass, you can. You've got propane. That's for the gas fireplace, and it's also for the gas range and the on-demand hot water heater. Nice little view from the balcony. Obviously, interior views are captivating also. The kayaks you'll see are in the basement. Let's get you through this property. It's 3 bedrooms plus a first floor office, 2.5 baths, 1,887 square feet. So like I said before, we have 3 bedrooms, first floor office. We've got right here to my right, conveniently located, a powder room and coat closet to the immediate left right here. And one of the things I really love about the house is just the feel when you first walk into it. The open concept design, the 9-foot ceilings right here. This really adds to the sense of space. You've got your gas range right here. You've got the quartz countertops, under counter microwave, the soft touch hardware on the cabinetry, which is frameless cabinetry. You've got a reach-in pantry right here. But this is a commanding view of the interior of the home right here from the heart of the home, your kitchen. And right here, this is a hickory pre-finished floor. Upstairs, we've got a nice light oak floor. You've got a gas fireplace right there. But the sense of space, especially right now in the afternoon, to be able to see what the feel of the home is like on the interior, it's amazing. You've got a nice Juliet balcony with a railing right here. No deck to walk out to. That door is secured closed. We will do the basement walkthrough last. It's an unfinished basement. But right here, we have, I'd call this a first floor office. And it could be used as a bedroom, and it was used as a bedroom by the sellers. This floor has ductless mini splits, and you'll have the second floor is an inverter heat pump also, because that's what a ductless is. You've got it right here in the kitchen, and you've got the other head right there. So there's 3 heads for this first floor. Another great feature about this house, wide stairs right here. And this was pulled down to nothing. There was one wall kept because of the pre-existing non-conforming use, kept one wall. And this is the primary right here. How about this for a beautiful view in terms of getting light in? Coat closet reach in right there. My shower right here, 5 foot, easy to walk in, nice dual vanity right there. It's great to be able to read the tides from this location. If you're a boater, access down the river. So right here, tub shower. Love the little bunk room right here. But being able to read the tides is key, because if you've got your big boat down at one of the marinas, you just take your skiff from here. Second floor laundry is convenient. Right here is my bedroom number 3. Reach-in closet there. Also set up for TV high mount. Obviously, you can see that. That's access to the mechanical area above us. That's inverter heat pump right there. And you notice the floor change right here. Maple colored, medium finish, medium color oak. And last but not least, like I promised, we'll get you into the unfinished basement. And you can see how the contractor tried to work with what they had here. You've got your crawl space area here and off underneath the office. But full basement right here. Main breaker panel. Everything is brand new here. You've got city water, city sewer. Walkout basement door is right here. That gets you down to the dock. Here's my on-demand direct vent water heater. Great place to store your kayaks during the off season. So that's it. 276 Niantic River Road. I would get your showing scheduled ASAP. If you want a waterfront home, this is the one that you've been looking for.